Over time, there are a few things in my kitchen that have become part of my everyday routine. They are the products I reach for without even thinking because they've simply made cooking, meal prep, and keeping my kitchen organized so much easier. So today I thought I would share them with you. Let's start with one of the simplest additions to my kitchen, these turntables. They may look simple, but they have completely changed the way I organize my pantry, kitchen cupboards, and even my refrigerator. Everything now is just one spin away, and it makes staying organized so much easier. Once everything has a place, labels help keep it that way. I use this little label maker on pantry jars, storage containers, and even meal prep containers. It also makes it easier for everyone at home to know exactly where things belong. And I have to admit, I just love how neat and organized everything looks. Since I usually buy pantry staples in bulk, especially from Costco, good storage containers have become a pantry essential. I use the larger containers for bulk items and glass jars for everyday ingredients. They keep everything organized, easy to access, and make the whole pantry feel so much less cluttered. One of my favorite little kitchen upgrades has definitely been organizing my spices. Everything is right in front of me the moment I open the drawer, so I'm not searching through different bottles while something is cooking on the stove. It's one of those small changes that saves time every single day. Now that the pantry is organized, let's move over to the prep side of the kitchen. A good knife makes all the difference if you cook regularly. This one is incredibly sharp, so I keep it safely on my countertop in a knife stand instead of inside a drawer. It's my go to for everyday chopping and meal prep. If you have watched my cooking videos before, you've probably seen this mixer grinder countless times. From chutneys to dosa batter, idli batter, spice blends, and so many everyday recipes, it's one appliance I honestly can't imagine my kitchen without. It quietly does its job and does it really well. Now that everything is prepped, it's time to start cooking. Cast iron has become my go to cookware over the last 2 years. It cooks evenly, retains heat really well, and although it needs a little seasoning, I think it's totally worth it. I honestly didn't expect my air fryer to become such a regular part of my routine, but now it's usually the first appliance I reach for on busy weekdays. Whether I'm roasting vegetables, making quick snacks, or preparing something simple for dinner, it saves me time while still giving everything that delicious roasted texture. And then there's my Instant Pot, probably one of the hardest working appliances in my kitchen. Of course, it's great for quick meals, but you've probably also seen me use it for homemade yogurt, fermenting batters, steaming, and so much more. It's definitely one of those purchases that has been worth every single penny because I use it all year round. I also love this oil dispenser. Having both a spray and a pour option makes everyday cooking so much more convenient. And finally, once the cooking is done, let's talk about keeping everything fresh. These produce containers keep my fruits and vegetables fresh for longer, making meal prep throughout the week so much easier. Those are some of the kitchen products that have truly earned a permanent place in my home. If you're curious about any of them, I have linked everything in the description box below. I would also love to know what's one kitchen product you use almost every single day. Let me know in the comments. I always enjoy discovering new recommendations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who would enjoy it, and subscribe for more homemaking and lifestyle videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.